Hey YouTube modeling community, this is the Moderate Modeler coming from the Ruby Custom Auto and Cycle Shop. It's Thursday evening and I thought I'd give a little update. So with further ado, here we go. Alright, uh, I guess we'll start off. I've been doing some work on the Cranky build. I've been working on the suspension in the frame, and I've come to the conclusion that I'm going back to roots. I'm going to go back to old school. Uh, I do have a ton of aftermarket stuff. Uh, as you can see, let's see, I got I'll give you a little rundown. I got turbos, got a bunch of that stuff. And over here, I'll back up. I've got a whole board. I've got 4-link suspensions, systems, bomber seats, plug wires, uh, Pegasus wheels, aluminum air cleaners. I've got a ton of parts by Parks, and I'm a dealer. And I got all kinds of stuff. I could, and I have decided it's going to sit on the shelf for a while. I'm going to go back to where I used to be when you just had things that you could find at different stores. Like I got my different, I got this braided cable if I wanted to use it for heater lines. I got gas lines, brake lines, more there. Then I've got, for making my distributors, I've got an extra, I bought 2 rolls of these, 8 different colors. Other one I've been using a lot, it's kind of down. So basically, I'm going back to the basics. When you couldn't buy the stuff, you had to made it. So first thing I'm doing with this, I'm doing an airbag suspension on, this is the Cranky build. As you can see, focus. I already mounted a crossbar in there. I got my one airbag already in, and I made up the swing arm going to the top, so as the airbag raises, it'll lift the suspension, the rear end up, so the suspension will get higher, and then when you let it down, it'll go down to that notch and sit, so it'll be sitting low. Basically, that's what I've done. This whole back section right here up to here is all scratch built. I added different spindles to drop the front of this down, and all it is a piece of styrene, drill a hole, and I use a piece of aluminum as a sleeve so the rim slides onto that. And that's basically that on there. And it's the same with the Extreme build, my Nova. I've got it wired. What I ended up doing is I made my own distributor. I used this aluminum tube, cut a section off using the wire off here. I used the yellow, cut them, and put them in, drill the holes. On the suspension on this one, I've got the 4-link, and I made my own coilover shocks in the rear. So basically, everything's going to be scratch built, and it's and the same with Dave's. The collaboration build with Dave. Like I said, I've got that all in. There'll be airbags on the back of this suspension, but I made the arms, pinned them right now. I'll make pins and stuff like that. And on the front end, I'm going to make my own struts. Maybe I'll be able to do a tutorial on how to make struts. And basically, that's about all I've got right now. So we'll cut this one short. And I hope everyone's had a good work week. Tomorrow's Friday. And then we got the weekend. So you guys have a good weekend. And this is the Moderate Modeler coming from the Ruby Custom Auto and Cycle Shop, signing out.